With Christmas round the corner, now is an incredible time to earn some easy money online. And I know this method works because guess what? I went ahead and did this method myself a number of years ago. And I know people who are still doing this exact method today. And here's the thing, you don't need a website, you don't need an email list, you don't need money, skills, experience, or knowledge to get started with this method. So we'll dive in and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Hello and welcome to today's video. As usual, if you have any questions, then comment down below. So let me take you on a little journey going back a number of years because I am an old person. So I'm going to come over here onto this website. Now, this is a website run by a guy I'm now friends with online called Ike. Now, this, as you can see here, goes back to 2017. And how this came about, this interview and how we met was I was doing these different methods and trialing them and documenting them over on my website, which is Not Taught at School. This one over here. I think we met in a Facebook group. And anyway, long story short, I shared my results. And he was like, "That's awesome. Can you share a bit more information?" And I did. And you can see on here, look, our guest contributor made a killing online with no website, no following, and no investment whatsoever. His name's Mark Furness, and here is, and basically, this is what we did, okay? And I'll show you this now because I don't hide anything whenever I'm doing case studies. I like to share with you what I'm doing because why wouldn't I? Because anyone can make money online if they just take a bit of time and effort. Okay, so this one here you can see. Let's scroll down. Look, holiday marketing tips. Now this, I mean, you can do this at any time of the year, but especially now with Christmas around the corner, you can make an unbelievable amount of money. Now you can see on here. Look, in this one over here, this was 19 posts and that was Facebook posts, by the way, and it wasn't on my profile harassing people or anything like that. I made 19 posts on Facebook. From that Facebook page, this is how much I earned: £379 in the UK. So that's about $420. And I didn't do Facebook ads or traffic or anything like that, okay? So in total, that worked out at £19.97 for each post. It's insane, isn't it? Insane. Okay, now this was with the eBay partner network, and we mixed in a bit of Amazon as well, okay? And look, if you want to go ahead and read this article, you absolutely can do. So this is how the whole concept works. And I'll show you some actual examples of this, and then I'll also drop a link down below to this article which I wrote for you, which again has got lots more information inside of here, how we set all this up, how much we earn, etc. Okay, but we came over here, look, and this goes back to the 6th of October. So we set up, and this page will still be there. It was called Bargain Christmas Presents for Kids, okay? And we set it up in October 2016. So on here, we did our first post on the 6th of October, and over the next 13 days, we posted 19 different toys that we'd found on eBay to promote. And it was literally a case of we got our link from eBay, we posted it on the Facebook page. And this was literally the thing, okay? And you can see here, look, there are hundreds of different Facebook groups, etc. But this was the method, okay? Now let me show you some actual examples of this because it really is as straightforward and simple as creating a Facebook page and then partnering up with the eBay Partner Network or the Amazon Associates Program or anyone really who has physical products that somebody can buy. And I'll show you some examples of this. So this article over here, which I'll link down below for you, this has got a number of examples in here for you with link out to different Facebook groups so you can go ahead and check them out yourself. So if I come over to, let's go over to this one first of all. This one over here, okay? This one is called Bigger Better Bargains UK. You can see we've got 13,000 members in that Facebook group. This one over here has got 136,000 members. And all they've done here in this example is, okay, they've created a Facebook group around bargains, couponing, latest deals. And all they're doing, literally all they're doing is, scroll down, let me show you, subscribe and save. Amazon link. Someone clicks that, they earn an affiliate commission. Scroll further on the page here, like this one 1 hour ago, 7 comments, this over here. Literally a link. Scroll further on the page here, a link. Another one, etc., etc. It's insane, okay? So with this method, originally I did this with a Facebook page a number of years ago. If I was going to do this now, moving forward, realistically, I would create a Facebook page, which is incredibly simple to do. I'm not going to walk you through that because it is literally just a case of go on Facebook, go onto your account up here and click on create a Facebook page. So you create a Facebook page. You can then also create a Facebook group. Same process, really straightforward and simple to do. Just give it a name and start sharing content in there, and then start promoting that page. Where would you promote that page? On other Facebook groups, as daft as it seems. So I'll give you another example of that. If I come over here into this one over here, Extreme Couponing and Bargains UK, 2.3 million members in here. Now, this is a very active Facebook group, and basically people are sharing lots of different deals and bargains that they've found online, offline, etc. Okay, so if I was doing this method, I would create a Facebook page. I would start sharing content around this. I would also copy that same content and put it into my Facebook group, and then at the same time, I would then find some relevant Facebook groups and share my links from my Facebook group into these groups as well. And you can say really simple things like, found this Facebook page where they're sharing incredible deals, go check it out. You're not promoting anything. Essentially, you're not asking anyone to buy. You're just linking to something which is relevant to people who are already in a group that are interested in bargains and saving money essentially. Okay. But this method, especially now at this time of the year, works incredibly well, okay? Now, what I want to do here is I'm going to come over here. And again, you can read all this on here. So let me go up here and I'll show you this. I want to find the actual page, see if it's still live on Facebook. Because I've literally not touched it since this case study. It was literally a case study. It took probably about 2 hours from start to finish to do this. Okay, so where is it? Where's the area? It's Bargain Christmas Presents for Kids. This is the one. Come over here. Come over here. I'm going to search this on Facebook. Hit on enter. Hopefully it'll still. There we go. Look, 500 followers. Let's go ahead and have a look at this. Let's scroll down. I mean, realistically, I know if I was to go ahead and start posting on this page, I would earn some money. I absolutely know this. I would do, okay? So let me scroll down here. So you can see on here randomly, this was a post in 2018. This was linking over to a YouTube video. But if I come down here, look, Bargain Christmas Presents for Kids. This over here was an eBay link. Thomas and Friends train set, £5. Normally costs 12. This one here. Scroll further on the page here. This one. Further down, this one, etc. And then you can see on here, wasn't doing a lot with this. And all I did was I just scheduled a post to go out throughout the day. Now you might be wondering, well, why is this image here missing? Well, look at the date. It was 2016. It's very likely, let's click it, that product's no longer on eBay. Yeah, look, it's gone. But at the time, it wasn't. So what happens here is, if somebody clicks any of these links, like this one here, someone clicks this link, goes over to eBay in that example and buys the product, you earn an affiliate commission. And the amount you can earn, varies depending on the platform or the network where you're promoting products, okay? But let me share with you just how simple it is, okay? So let me come over here. Let's go over here and let's just go into the university group for a second, just so I can show you this, okay? So I go over to Amazon. Let's go on here. And let's just say we're looking for a product and we want to share it, okay? We would say like this one here, look, 15% off Black Friday deal. I would click on here. And then what happens is, once you're on Amazon, see at the top here where it says get link. You text, image, text plus an image. I would click on text. I would then copy that now, and that's now got my affiliate link. I was to post that on Facebook, like here, and I'm literally doing this really quickly. Just found this incredible deal over on Amazon. Something like that, okay? Really straightforward. Then all I'm doing here is I'm pasting the link I got from Amazon into here. It takes a second and then it comes up like this, okay? So it has a link to the actual product, and then I'd click on post. And if I wanted to schedule these posts over to the right hand side here, schedule. So here I can just click on the day I want it to go out and also the time I want it to get published on. And I thought I'd posted that for a second. And that is literally the concept of this, okay? It's not hard, it's not difficult, and believe me, people are making ridiculous money with this method. As always, it will take a bit of time and effort to set this whole concept up. But as you saw over here at the beginning of this one over here, when we did this case study over here, our 19 posts on Facebook earn £379 from 19 posts. And all I like I say, all I was doing here was I was posting on the Facebook page, and then I was going into relevant groups like this one and other ones, and I was just saying, found this Facebook page, or just found this awesome deal on this Facebook page, and I'll link to the Facebook page. And that was it. And literally people were going over, buy and literally clicking links and buying the products. And as you saw a second ago, we managed to get that page up to 500 followers from 19 posts. It's not difficult, okay? So look, if you want to take this a step further, just go over to this article over here. It walks you through all of this. There's another video on here walking you through how to do this specifically with a Facebook group and other examples, okay? But without a doubt, one of the simplest and easiest ways to make money, especially in the holidays. So yeah, take care, and I shall see you soon.